Let me add my congratulations to all of you on this career milestone. Enjoy this day. You have toiled hard to get here. The nation, the entire Filipino nation, joins you in recognizing your achievements and affirms the greater responsibility that we have entrusted to you. Ang mga tinuturuan ninyo ngayon ay susunod na mga inhinyero, mga doktor, mga guro, profesional, manggagawa, at mga leader ng ating bansa. Sa kabila nito, hindi pa rin nasusuklian ng sapat ang inyong naging sakripisyo. For many, many years, our public school teachers have faced many barriers to career growth. Our old system did not have the positions and clear pathways for advancement. Moving from teacher 1 to teacher 3 could take decades. Meron tayong mga ibang teacher 30 taon na nag-aantay. At ngayon pa lang sila mapopromote mula sa teacher 1. And because of this, many of our educators were compelled to move into administrative roles for higher compensation. In some cases, you even had to step away from the thing that you love the most, teaching, in search of better opportunities in other areas, in other fields. It only worsens, that situation only worsens the shortage of teachers in the country, undermines the country's overall educational system. Kaya't sinabi ko na, kailangan ipatupad ang Expanded Career Progression or ECP system para sa ating mga guro sa mga pampublikong paaralan.